So we're given this information about a consumer, and we want to know if he's better off in year 2 as opposed to year 1. So we know the prices of X and Y in both years, we know income in the first year, and we know the bundles that he picks in each year. Well, let's see if, we're going to use the idea of revealed preference to see if he's better off in year 2. So he chose this in year 1. So to see if he's better off in year 2 or worse off, we should see if he could have afforded this in year 1. Okay? So, what was his budget constraint in year 1? Well, we have all the information to get that, so it's 3 times the price of X, sorry. No, price of X times the amount of X, 3X, plus the price of Y, 6 times the amount of Y he gets, has to be equal to his income, which is 45. Okay? So we can construct his budget constraint for year 1. So now, was it an option? Was 10-1 an option in year 1? Well, does it satisfy his budget constraint? So 3 times 10 plus 6 times 1, okay, so that's what he's taking this year. Well, that equals 36. Alright? So this tells us that 10-1 was an option in year 1, right? He could afford this bundle, just plugging it into his budget constraint. So 10-1 was an option, but he chose a different bundle. He chose 5-5. Okay? What does this tell us? That tells us that the utility of 5-5 has to be better than the utility of 10-1. Which means that he was better off when he had 5-5, so he's worse off in year 2. Okay? He's now consuming, for whatever reason, probably his income has changed, prices have changed as well, so for one of those reasons, he's consuming a bundle that he had the option to consume in year 1, but gives him lower utility because he chose a different bundle.